What's up, guys? Yes, in this video I'll be teaching you 3 different apps to make money online anywhere in the world. Yes, these 3 app works anywhere you are in the world. If you are interested in making money online with simple apps that you can use to make money, this video is for you. Ensure you watch this video to the end. On this channel I make videos around making money online and how to build a profitable business online. These are my videos. If you want to make money in Nigeria right now, this video is for you. Is for you. Watch the video after watching this video, because I will show you some things to make money in this video too. So after watching this video, go to this video if you're in Nigeria, or if you can also watch this video too. I show you details of how to make money, completing simple tasks with this video, and also come here to check my videos. I would like you to follow me on my social media account. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and also join my Telegram community. Yes, join my Telegram community. That is very, very important, because that is where I will drop important tips to make money online, to build a profitable business, and tips that really help you, and where I first post my videos, so you'll be person to see my videos when you join my Telegram community as well. So now to the video, I'll show you 3 different apps to make money online worldwide. If you are new to this channel, subscribe right now to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. That is really important. That's really important. And also note that all the apps that I will be mentioning in this video, there is a link that you can click to open your own personal account in the description of this video. After watching this video to the end, check the description of this video. You will see the link to sign up with those apps. The first one I'll be showing you is called Onigain. Passive income effortlessly with Onigain. You can make money by simply sharing your internet. So and start, all you have to do is just to share your internet. Just make sure your data is on. So when your data is on, you can make a lot of money on this website, and this website is really legit. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I will show you things that you really need to know, yes, about this website. These websites are legit. Can you see on Trustpilot they have reviews? Can you see they have about 7,374 reviews? That means that this platform is legit, and it is free to sign up with this platform. And you see, join Onigain now and receive $5 for free. So you just click the link in the description and join this platform. So when you join, you will get $5 for free. Just let's read what you'll be doing. Easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Onigain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription. Unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. So can you see, you can click on learn more to read what they are doing. All you have to do, you don't really need to do a lot of things here. And without comparison, security. So your security is very sure. This app won't pop into your details and start accessing your details. No. All you have to do is just keep your data on, and you start making money and you make sure the app is on. Onigain ensure that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never ask for or gain access to the storage of your device. So the app does not gain access to storage of your device, or it does not gain access to your password and the likes. No. Not exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Onigain, your device acts like view towers and help world famous business access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restriction or censorship. So that is what the app is doing. So estimate your earnings. Your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Onigain's network. The more you share, the more you earn. So that is it. The more you share your traffic, the more you earn with the platform. Daily traffic shared is between 2 gig to 5 gig. Daily content delivery is 0 hours, around 4 hours, around 4 hours. So you can come here and before you download and read the terms and conditions, how to make money with it, and once your location, your earnings depend on the traffic demand required for our business client, as well as the number of user in your area. The number of IP address, the more the IP address your device are connected to. So these are what you really need to know. You are starting with this app. Don't forget to watch this video to the end, because this is what we need right now. If you want to make money without any money, if you don't have any money to start making money online, you can use these tips to make money online. So ensure you watch this video to the very end. Onigain can be installed on any Windows, Linux or Android device, so you can use your phone with this. Run Onigain. Once active, Onigain securely share your internet connection, so you don't really need to do anything. So Onigain itself, just make sure it is active, so it will share your internet connection. Never gain access to your personal data. It won't gain access to your personal data. Make sure your data is on and you activate the app. Onigain use your internet connection to gather bits of information that is publicly available online. That is what you have to do. Help businesses. Credible companies use the data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business process. Get paid. User earnings money for all the traffic that they shared, and can choose to receive payouts in paper, BTC, or JMPT. So you can pay through paper, or you can pay you through paper, BTC, or JMPT. Yes, you can make a lot of money with this app. All you have to do is just to download it, and you can also download it for Windows as well. If you don't know how to create a paper account, or you don't have a paper account, either you're in Nigeria or any other African country, you find the link in the description of this video or any part around this video on how to create a professional paper account that can use to withdraw and transfer money to anywhere in the world. Yes, now to the next app. This app is called YSense app. So you make money through service. We have a lot of offer. You can also make money through affiliates. So let's see what they are offering us. Earn extra cash online. YSense is a global online community with multiple earnings options. Join now and start earning with paid online service, cash offers, and more. Looking for ClickSense? See the existing news here. Can you see? So you make money completing surveys. The simplest way to make money online is just completing some surveys online. So when you sign up with this YSense app or website, you start making money completing surveys. Earn cash for taking free paid survey while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. Cash offer: get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watch videos. So these are the things that you need to do. You can watch videos, you can sign up with some websites, and these are the things you will be doing with this app, and you start making money. And you can also refer people. Share YSense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You earn up to 30% of what your referral makes. So you will be earning 30% of what your referral makes. Can you see that? And you can download it when you are using Apple Store or Play Store. This site has been for long, and can you see these are the companies that partners with the app or website. This app cannot be wrong. Imagine all these companies that are partnering with them. So that means they are legit and they are good, is what you can start doing. All you have to do is just to click on sign up. You will see the link to sign up in the description of this video. So put in your email, put in your password, then click here to agree to their terms and conditions, and you click join. So it's as simple as that. And yes, now to the third app that you can use to complete some simple tasks and start making money online. So the third app is Toloka app. Get paid to make an impact. Join Toloka and earn money from the comfort of your home, or on the go, wherever and wherever you like. So that is just it. Doing this with this app too, you will make money completing some simple tasks, and you can download the app on both Play Store and Google Store and Google Store. I make the videos of how to sign up with this site, how to start making money online on this channel. So the link will appear on any part of this video. So make sure you watch the video after watching this video to the end, or you will find the link in the description of this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe right now, turn on the notification bell, like this video and share this video to your friends. Let's also comment. I want to know if you will be interested in starting Toloka. Just tell me in the comment section of this video if you are interested to starting with Wise Sense or the other ones that I talk about. Just let me know in the description of this video. This will be the end of this video. See you in the next video.